Vlogmas Day 4. Thank you for joining. My name is Cindy A. Lewis and I appreciate you being here. It has been so much fun the last few days doing a Vlogmas. So I hope you've enjoyed it. I really even love the intro that I did of some snow that I captured a couple of years ago. It's not snowing here, but I love the way that all came out. So today I just want to take a minute. You know, I came into my studio and the lights were on. They're on a timer. Not these lights. These need a little something, I think. You know, need some sparkle. But anyway, the lights are good. I feel like Statue of Liberty, but no. Anyway, so all the lights were on. You can't see them so much with all the big studio lights on in here that I have, but they are, they just just relaxed to me when I came in here. Not that I wasn't relaxed, but you know what I mean. And so then I thought, well, I'll light a candle. And so I did. I lit the candle, and so speaking of Vlogmas today and everything, you know, smells and the lights do something for us during the season. You know, as we grew up, we had maybe lights on our Christmas tree or lights in the neighborhood we would go looking at with our parents. I remember, this may date me a little bit, but I remember when we had like an energy shortage or something. I was little and no one was allowed to put Christmas lights up. Do you guys remember that? Oh, that was a long time ago. But it was sad, you know, like it affected the season. So anyway, so sounds and lights. I love going to look at Christmas lights. And to be honest, other than driving down the road when I have to get somewhere, the last couple of years has been super busy and I hadn't had time to just really take in the lights like I like to. So this year I will. And our neighborhood is getting lights up all around. So I think you'll like that when I do that video. But today I'm talking about smells, and there's smells that really spark memories and they just take you to the season. It's kind of like tastes, you know, with certain tastes. And so, best Christmas ever, we got to check off our list. So one of the things that's not really on the list, but is on the list in my mind, is to make homemade potpourri. And homemade potpourri just simmers on your stove and you just enjoy the smells of it. So I did that today when I was cooking lunch, and I'm going to show you the video. And I probably will do a voiceover on that because I couldn't record in the kitchen at that time. But it's really simple recipe, and you probably have these things in your grocery pantry or cupboard or refrigerator. And so then you can smell the house, make it smell season-y, you know, holiday season-y. Is that a word? I don't know. Smells of the season, anyways. So that is what I'm going to share with you today. I did have church this morning and wanted to share that with you a little bit, but I couldn't get the video. So next time maybe. Then yesterday I went to an appointment, and the salon had a beautiful, like 9-foot black Christmas tree with gold ornaments, and it is stunning. So I want to share that with you in this video as well. And let me know, have you ever seen a black Christmas tree? And also, you know, like, is your tree green? Is it white? Is it flocked? I remember my grandmother growing up had a silver Christmas tree with a little light wheel that spun around and turned different colors on the tree. So you guys are thinking, how old is this gal? But it brings up all kinds of memories. So anyway, I do have a white tree for Lucy, and I have seen colored small trees like pink and blue and purple. I think I saw a purple one. So anyway, it's kind of a fun thing to talk about. So I'm eager to hear your answers about your tree, about the smells of the season, about what brings on those memories for you. So I hope you have a wonderful day. I can't wait till tomorrow. Remember the countdown to Christmas. And I'm not going to say goodbye just yet because there's more video coming. This is the beautiful black Christmas tree. All the ornaments are accented in gold, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Stunning is the best word. These are the supplies that you need to make your own homemade potpourri. It smells so good on the stove. An orange and apple, cinnamon, and cloves. I use cinnamon sticks. And I put about 4 cups of water in the pot. I brought it to a boil after I put everything in it, and then I turned it down to simmer, and we had a lovely smell all afternoon. So cut up your orange into wedges, squeeze some of the juice into the water, and then just drop your orange pieces in there as well, with the peel and all. Then add your apple. So you're going to need to cut your apple as well, and then drop your apple into the water. As I said, I brought the water to a boil. Next, you're going to add your cinnamon sticks, which is what I added. I suppose you could add ground cinnamon, but I'm not sure. Then I added cloves. If you're wondering about the jar, the other one wouldn't open, so that was interesting. But anyway, real life here. So then I just stirred it around, let it come to a boil, and then just enjoyed the smell as it came off the stove. If you want more of this cinnamon or cloves, you could add more than I did. Hope you enjoyed this. Now I'll say goodbye. So thanks so much for joining me. I really appreciate you being a part of my YouTube family. If you're not, please subscribe. Say hello below. I want to get to meet you and where you're from. Do you have snow yet? A lot of people up north are starting to get snow. I don't expect that we'll have snow till New Year or February. Usually we get snow February, March, and then it'll be gone, and then it'll be spring. So anyway, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.